What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have a special request. So one of my subscribers, you know who you are, hi girl, asked me to film a what's in my bum bag video, just so you guys could kind of understand what type of space the Louis Vuitton bum bag has. Now I own the limited edition, can't get my words out. I own the limited edition Teddy Shearling 2019 collection bum bag. So for those of you that don't know what that is, I will definitely link a video, actually two other videos that I kind of spoke and gave a bit more detail about this bag up in the cart, and I will put it in the description bar below. So as you guys know, this is a limited edition item, and actually it ranges about 3 times more in price than the regular bum bag. So like I said, if you want more details, refer to that video. This video is not necessarily going to be for that. So here is the bum bag that I own. And I still love her. She's beautiful, she's stunning, she's unique and limited, and I just am in love with this bag altogether. Now one thing that I will say is that this bum bag is definitely a lot bigger than the regular bum bags. I've had a look at the other bum bags in store and they are slightly smaller. So in this bum bag I can actually fit quite a lot of stuff. You know what, I'm just gonna bring you guys down just a little bit. Yeah, that's a bit better. So I brought you guys down so you can see the bag a little bit better and my arms aren't like, oh, currently cooking some pasta in the back there. Great, so this is the bum bag. It obviously has the belt over here. It has a top handle here. Okay, so let's go ahead and show you guys the type of space that's in this bum bag. So as I said, it definitely has a lot of room inside it. I know you can't necessarily tell how much can actually fit in it with me just showing it to you like this, but I kid you not, it holds a ton of stuff. So if we go ahead and put in some of my like essentials that I travel with all the time, just to show you what kind of fits in the bag. So I'll go ahead and add in my first item, which is a lipstick. This one's actually the Rouge, the Dior from the Rouge line, and it's the Ultra Care lipstick. I usually wear this quite a lot, so I put that in there. And then I have the Lancome Genifique Youth Activating Serum, which is goals in a product. I can fit that in there. I can even fit a full-size perfume in this bag along with everything else. So I usually have that in there also, as well as my wallet that I can also fit in here. And this is a big one. This isn't like a queen purse or anything like that. It's one of the full-size wallets. So this definitely fits in here quite comfortably as well. It's long enough, and I still have like a ton of room in this bag. I will obviously add my phone in there because I'll always have my phone on hand. And again, I still have quite a bit of room in the bag to add in anything extra that I would need, but typically that's kind of all I would have. Maybe I'd have a few makeup items actually, but I don't know, being a bit precious about this bag, I would just put liquid in it, but I should take it out. So you guys can see that there is quite a few items that I put in my bag, but there's still a ton of room. So the truth is, this bag actually carries a shitload. Like, it really does. And I'm trying to think about how I can actually show you how much it fits, like truly fits. Because right now, like, okay, I guess the way that I can show you is like, that's me scrunching how much room I actually have left to put stuff in. So let me just come up quickly and show you guys how much room is left once I've added in all of that stuff. Oh, and by the way, in case you're wondering, this fragrance is from Tom Ford and I love it, love it, love it, love it. I'm gonna come a bit closer and show you guys, once I've put in all that stuff, how much space is actually left, which is a load of space. Because you can see, it's quite hard for me to actually show you guys how much space is left, but I'm trying to just open it up so you guys can see the potential and how much you can actually fit in the bag. So if we just do this with the lipstick, you can kind of see how much space is actually left there. So yeah, hopefully that makes sense. Like there's the lipstick lengthways, and that's how much room I actually have left to fill in the bag. So hopefully that makes sense. Honestly, it's really hard for me to show you with just my 2 hands. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If there's any other requests or anything like that that you guys want me to do regarding any of the other videos that I filmed, or any ones that I haven't filmed, then definitely let me know. I will definitely add that to my filming schedule and get it on for you guys. I love it when you interact with me and let me know exactly what you want to see. It's definitely beneficial for me to know. And yeah, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys liked it and understood just how much space is actually in a bum bag, because it's definitely worth the money and it's definitely worth the space. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in my next one.